Morning guys, just getting started today. Made a few repairs to the trailer last night before I left. I cut them off the back here and I re-welded them where they're closer together. They were spread out further apart, which made it really dangerous getting my machine on because they were, I was just barely on the ramps. Back where I've showed before that this piece tore out here, you can see I added a stiffener plate there to close up that C-channel. And I also did that there. You can see that one a little bit better. So again, that was just an open C-channel, and this spring mount would be pushing up and was bending out the bottom of this flange. So I added that stiffener plate in there, and then also on the front mount as well. You can see how bowed out these walls are. And the tire was rubbing the wall here during heavy loads. So when the wheel was off, I just took a sledgehammer and beat this wall back that way so that the tire is no longer rubbing the wall of the trailer. So happy to get all that stuff done. I've got 2 driveways due to today. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna be hauling 5 or 6 loads out around town. So this trailer's ready to keep working for me. Let's get on the road. All right, we're here at job number 1. It's basically 2 driveways here at this job, and I've got another job that's a smaller driveway. So this one here, first one is going from the building. See all this existing gravel, it's all nasty. Headed up to the road, and there's another driveway that goes from that garage over there out to the road. That's the one they use most of the time. This one they just kind of want cleaned up a little bit. So both driveways I'm gonna scrape up, and once I get them scraped up, I'm gonna haul off a little bit of the vegetation and so on, and then I'm just putting 1 load on each drive. So this one's actually like double wide, and I won't have enough stone to cover this with just 1 load, but that's what they wanted, so. I didn't load any out into the trailer. It's just kind of all mixed in here. I'm thinking about going and getting my blower. I could just blow it all out of here pretty quick, and then before I top it. So we'll see if that'll work. The other driveway is a little bit worse than this one. So I don't know if I'm gonna use the land plan again, or if I'm gonna try to use the bucket and scrape off that top layer and dump it in the trailer. So I think I'm gonna try that next. All right, well that'll do it for this drive until we get more rock on it. Kind of flared out the drive that way. This way the pipe's too short on that side, so I can only flare that way. It had a real sag in the middle of it where it was carrying water down the middle, so I kind of knocked that out of it. Got a nice edge along the front of the garage, and then also I cut out a spot of grass here. I'm gonna put in some rock for a nice entrance into the sidewalk there. All right, well, I'm actually very pleasantly surprised. That worked really well. Got a lot of the dead grass out of here. So let's go ahead and get this load spread. right, that got some pretty good coverage here. Won't take much at all to spread out. I'm gonna go get another load though and put the blower on the charger so I can blow off that driveway out there, and we'll be back. All right, got this drive done. Gotta go spread out and tamp the next drive. This turned out nice. Gave her a nice little access to the sidewalk here. Didn't have that before. Looks good, and I think that'll be handy. All nice up against the garage. We got it flared out down there. Second drive done, plated in, looks real nice. I told her this drive probably needed 2 loads, but she only wanted to put 1 on it, so it didn't get the full coverage that it should have had, but it looks a lot better than it did. Didn't get that last driveway on film at all. Customer had like extended family and friends and everybody out there, so there was like 15 people watching me spread that gravel with the skid and then plate tamp it down. Sorry guys, missed that one. But appreciate you guys watching. Thank you.